Daryl Lennington here from itnewsafrica.com, and I'm here with Reshaad Sha, who is the CEO of SqwidNet. So can you tell us a little bit about SqwidNet, what the company does?
Hi Daryl, so SqwidNet is a Internet of Things network operator. We've partnered with Sigfox, which is a global IoT network operator, and what we do is we build and operate a dedicated ultra-narrowband network designed to give any object a voice of some kind. So we enable objects to have a voice and communicate through our network.
So what I know is that SqwidNet launched here in AfricaCom this time last year. How has the company evolved over a year now that we're at AfricaCom 2017?
Yeah, so we launched the company last year at AfricaCom. It was actually the announcement of the partnership with Sigfox that was announced, and what we then did was we had to build a team to start delivering on that contract that we signed with Sigfox to build and operate this network. So we started actually building probably in about end of February, March this year, and as of today we are covering about 75% of South Africa's population with our network. So we've been building at a really high speed to allow for this network to become pervasive and accessible to everybody across the country.
Right. So moving away from South Africa, is SqwidNet looking to expand into Africa?
So we're exploring multiple opportunities on the continent, and each of those will have a life of their own, and specifically looking at what the opportunity is in that country, what is the investment required, and our ability to tackle those specific markets. But we are exploring a couple of countries at the moment.
Okay, so since launch in South Africa, and you're looking to expand into Africa, what challenges do you think you're going to face?
So I think we could talk a bit about some of the challenges we faced. Is, while we want to operate at quite a high speed and even build out this network at a high speed, some of the challenges result from not being able to access the high sites fast enough. Sometimes there's specific approvals required. In South Africa it's a lot better than some of the other countries that we're exploring, where regulatory approval is required even for you to go on to a specific site. So we expect the actual rollout to be one of the challenges in terms of speed. The second challenge we see is the level of maturity of the market, and specifically in the device space. So South Africa has matured quite rapidly from when we first started to where we are today, in terms of number of devices being made, number of companies making stuff, and that's grown from 1 to about 18 in the last 8 months.
So just to finalize the interview, how can SqwidNet benefit companies not only in South Africa but Africa as well?
IoT is a key capability that enables digital transformation journeys for any customer, and that customer could be a business, a small or large corporation, it could be a municipality, it could be a national government, it could be the defense force of a country. Each and every one of these entities do need to go through some digital transformation journey if they're not already on one. And IoT is an enabler that delivers true value either through cost savings or through revenue enhancement. And that's where we think we can play a significant role.
So that's everything you need to know about SqwidNet in South Africa as well as Africa. I'm Daryl Lennington reporting from AfricaCom 2017. Thank you so much for your time.